Ready to supercharge your content creation with AI, but feeling overwhelmed? First, head over to the Hailuo AI website. You can find the link in the description below. Next, if you haven't already, sign up for a free account. It's quick and easy. Just enter your email and create a password. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Hailuo AI Dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Notice the array of tools available, everything from text generation to image creation. Let's say you want to create a blog post. Find the blog post generator and click on it. You'll now see input fields. Enter your desired topic, some relevant keywords, and the tone you want your blog post to have: persuasive, informative, funny, whatever you choose. The more specific you are, the better the AI can tailor the content. Once you are done, click the generate button. Watch as Hailuo AI crafts your blog post in real time. The speed will depend on the complexity of your request. When it's finished, carefully review the generated content. You can edit, refine, and add your personal touch to make it truly your own. Finally, download your newly created blog post or share it directly to your desired platform. That's it. You've just harnessed the power of Hailuo AI. Experiment with other tools, explore its possibilities, and elevate your content creation today.